Okay, good morning. It's the last day of the month of May. It is a Tuesday after the Memorial Day long weekend. We are watching the ES, the micro ES, the futures contracts here. Kind of a turn of events here. We've fallen off after the pre-market up. We had a pre-market up here, right, from the other day. And now we're falling back pretty hard. So, where are we going to go? Are we going to make it all the way back down to this volume, high volume? Or are we going to just want to rotate up? We'll have to wait and see. I don't see a signal quite yet, so I'm going to wait. Yeah, and if we can get our thesis correct, I'm saying back down to that, look at where we were. If you've watched the previous videos, this is that 4067. I believe we could probably get back to that 4067 if it keeps this kind of direction. Looks pretty rough, eh? But this is when it wants to pull the rug out and teach everybody a lesson. Sometimes. I think we're right on the edge here. It could want to reject this level, but if it gets into this more, we're going to that 67. It seems to be wanting to battle it here a little. What time is it? It's 9:44. The volume seems light. I believe it's light. It should be around 6,000, 7,000. It seems light. Average volume. And just like that, it might be teaching people a lesson here to look at the volatility pickup here. Look at the amount of extra volume that just jumped in. Now, is this where it's going to trap you and people are going to want to go long here, right? And that's where you'd want to go the opposite. I don't know if I can do it though. Seems like it might be a little angry. Good question is it going to get to this value area low? We just turned off of that low node there. There you have your average volume now is bumping up. See how it's at 5.3 now? This is the shakeout before it wants to take out. Almost looks like we're missing our short here. It's kind of a shame. It would have kind of, yeah, see, first shot, second shot, I don't know. It was a difficult entry. I almost feel like this would be chasing a short here now. Although we are shooting for that 67, so you'd still have miles of room on it, but getting close. If it gets denied here, this is on.
Switch your existing mortgage or do some upgrades around the house. Whatever you need, RBC is here to help bring your ideas to life. An RBC mortgage specialist can answer any question.
Not quite. It's not stalling enough. You can see how they're trying to fight it, right? Shit, there, you missed it. You missed it. It was right there at the 1275. Missed it. Shit. It's really wanting to deny it here. I think we'd want to go short here shortly. Maybe not. See? Shit. There's that denial. Shit, we kind of missed it there. Shit, we kind of missed it there. Shit. Get denied for the second time. Shit, I missed it again. I was just about to push it too. But I mean, that's fast. And you're talking like a full 1.5 or something of, yeah, that's 2 points. Short. Shit. Missed it. Mess that up. Mess that up. Okay, we almost got shooken out of that, and now it's coming right back to our price. Now, I don't want to get spooked out of this either, right? So you got to be careful here. Definitely looks like it's taking support on our line. So again, it's starting to shake us out almost, and if it goes all the way back to my stop loss, I'm going to be really pissed. We were into profit there. Not much, but I mean, and this is the problem I have waiting for these bigger moves to the 67 or whatever. It seems kind of stupid. You should just take the money when it comes to you, right? But I mean, watch this work out to be one of my best trades ever. Just having patience. Yeah, realistically, if it can't hold this double bottoming area right here, if it can't hold this, yeah, we're going to open up and go down. It's going to want to hold this area here, which is value. Which, that doesn't really matter because it's just the bottom of the chart. But I mean, it means a little less anyway. That's all I'm trying to say, right? And we're still looking to break through this. I'm saying to get to the 67, but again, we're going to want to push through probably to the 54. So we'll see how that goes, 54. And I'll take a look at something else here to see if I can get another angle on 54. Well, there's the break of that bottom. But look at the reaction. Now, if it can use this as resistance here, that might be something. Either way, we're going to trail that stop into a break even. 41.10.25. Yeah, there you go. So if we get shaken out, then we get shaken out, right? Interesting. Again, this isn't a game where you just get to, wait and be like, oh, look what I did. Look how good I am. Man, we could have taken profits twice here, and meanwhile we just did a break even. That's stupid to wait like that. Look at it rotate on it too. It's not even a. That's pretty frustrating, actually. Yeah, underwater, bad entry. So, I'm blaming that on myself there. Can't blame it on you, obviously, but bad entry, underwater, into profit, don't take profit, come back up to price, like almost to my exact price, and then take more profit, but didn't take any profit, and back up, and now you're stopped out for a zero. And we wasted, 45 minutes of time, or whatever. What time did we get in on that? Yeah, sorry, so 20 minutes worth of time, but I mean, that was stupid. Okay, we've got value zone high, we've got low node, we've got deviation band, but I mean, what the fuck is a deviation band other than a copy? I don't know. So, we got the break above VWAP, wanting to go back to VWAP. Extended on balance volume. We got pausing. We do have light volume, but this looks like a short. Yeah, especially if we can't break above this 4150s. And then the 50s is a round number. Give or take, right? Well, 4150 flat is a round number. Give or take. I don't know what I'm saying. Look at the way it's playing, though. Yeah, it's really good at making you feel like you missed it. And this could just want to keep on trucking, so you gotta be careful. Is this it, or is this the trap? We're gonna wait for a pushback. I wanna go probably, if we can't get above 56 again, that's where you're gonna wanna take it. Now we gotta be really kinda on it when we do it. We gotta be really decisive here, kinda, right? So, shit, looks like we kinda missed it there, but I mean, it sometimes does this. I'm a little too early with it. Setting the trap here, I kinda I want it to get back up to 54 here before it stops everybody out. Like, I want it to do a stop run, and then we want to get it. Volume's extremely light here too, so I don't know. That might have been it. Was it enough of a stop run? No, it's only 6 ticks, right? I don't know if we're going to be able to get this off. Okay, short a little bit. I'm not happy with that entry, so I think if it gets into profit, we should probably cut some. But are we going to get back to the means there at the dotted line, right at 43, give or take? So are we going to get back to that 43? Yeah, this is painfully hard volume. The volatility's kind of dried up here, eh? This is, I guess we're into summer now. See how the volatility really picks up after that, right? So we're going to want to drop some of this trade now. I'm going to want to drop some off. I'm going to close 5 of the lots right now. Just so we can get some pay going here. We've got to get back on the horse here. It seems like every week, every day, every time. 52.25. 52.25 is our break even, so we're going to put that in there. So now we're not underwater at all. I'd almost say we want to go 49.25 now that. Good thing you don't get charged for these alterations, right? Because that's worth $300. Fucking right. There you go. 49.25. Yeah. So there you go. We should probably try and take some more off in a minute. Let's just double check our maps. There, right back to the mean on that profile, but I think we can get back to the value zone high, which we're pretty much, and then there's VWAP there as well, right? There's VWAP, so running into VWAP. Well done. Okay. I'm going to want to take a little bit more off here just to get paid. Oops, we didn't do that right. We want to do this. Take another 5 off here. Right? Just so we can get paid. 48.75. $48.75. Like, you can't just, you know what I mean? Like, you have this thought that, oh, it's going to keep dropping, it's going to drop. But, I mean, there's support, right? Kind of. We're almost at opening morning support level here, too, right? So, I think we should probably just take another couple of nickels off here. We're not changing that. We're going to want to. This may not be the best way. It seems like the trade management is always the trickiest of the tricky things. 46.50. Yeah, 46.50. Fuck it. $46.50. It's just money, right? It's only money. And now we have a somewhat successful trade working for us here. Let's just wait and see. How much further can it go? How much further can it go? Well, we could get right back down to the point of control, I suppose, which would be the midpoint of this curve. We have these. This is like a smaller curve here. It's tapping the bottom of it. So I'm okay with the way this is going to work. If it gets back down to VWAP, if it gets down to VWAP, then we're good as gravy as well, right? That's good too. I think the point of the matter was the entry, which we kind of missed it on that first big pullback. That would have been the ideal fucking entry right there, right? But can't go crying over spilt E-minis. There it was, like just touched VWAP. So now, like, if you didn't catch that move, which we should have, yeah, that was kind of a little sluggish on our part. We should have taken more profit right at that. And now we're probably going to get stopped out. That's crazy. We should have taken a little more profit down there when it touched VWAP, just as a rule. That was a big ripper. We're going to have to be careful here. It may want to, that may be a trap to fool people. I don't know. Or it could be the rip, and they're done. Somebody gave up, right? Like, they were trying to fight that price, and they were like, you know what? We're done. Fell right back to VWAP and actually put in a lower low. Somewhat struggling here. I might want to take off a couple more here just to take it off. I know it kind of sounds stupid. You're like, let it run. No. Taking half that apart now. So now we're left with 5 micro ES. And then at that point, we're going to want to, I'm going to trail that stop down into 43s. Yeah, 43s, because if it fails, it doesn't really matter. 43s. Yeah, because if it keeps going down, you're okay. If it comes back up, you're. I want to get the most out of it, right? That's the key to this. Could have done that earlier today too. You're just gonna learn how to take your profit. Next stop, point of control, maybe. Well, stopped out, but I mean, was that the end of the world? No, I don't think so. I think that was a fucking pretty darn. That was pretty good. It wasn't great. Like I said, this exact entry here, in the moment when I called it, that would have been the best fucking entry you could have possibly hoped for. But I mean, over here wasn't too bad. We actually only ended up 4 ticks underwater at any point on this trade. So that was an excellent trade, and it took. Where did we start there? At 12. At 12, so it's, say another 14 minutes in duration here. Let's see what we netted. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad at all. So that first thing that we had there that we, foolishly did in the morning, where we didn't take our profits and we were like letting it run, we took a $31 loss, $31.25 loss on that trade. But okay, so on the next one here, we entered, and we got, for the first 5 shares, we got $143. For the next 5 shares, we got $168.75, both those 75 cents. Then we go down even further, we trail that stop, or that, we take another profit there. So at $187 profit. Take this next 5 shares, so we broke it all in 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 shares. The next one there was worth $325, and our final trail stop was worth $27.50. And overall, looks like we made the right choice. Now, the next question would be, here's the whole day. The next question would be, are we going to get another trade-off on this? It's 12:30 in the afternoon. I don't know. We could keep running this out. It's an 18-minute video. I just don't know if I am with the way the volatility is. We missed this. And now we're getting back into this chop, potentially. So, borderline wanting to take this short again here at this high zone. Look, it tried to break through, but it did. I don't know. It's kind of funny because it'll probably want to keep going here. I'm just saying, if it can't get through there, it's really going to want to reject it hard. We'll end up with another one of these moves here, probably down to at least 47. But it could actually carry on. Again, I said that before, but this is a hard market. Yeah, I really don't know if I can get another trade on here, so we're going to probably call it and say like, share, subscribe. Wow, we've got the tally again. Just a minute. Yeah, there it is there. With that $31.25 drawdown, we got that $1,031.25 using 25 MES on market orders. Like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell. That's how you get your high fives. Till the next bounce.